Baby, I've been slipping back, heading south, car sick on a Tuesday, missing cash, blacking out, heartless in a few ways, shit for luck, elbow shredded, I held things steady like too late, please calm the fuck down, I'll do whatever you say.
Lawnmower, but you popped. What? Something popped. Probably my knee or my butt because I like to pop it.
Remember me dead broke, look at me up now. I run my city from South Philly back to uptown. Thank God all these bottles I pop.
So one of us has to wear Alura's lovely pink headphones. And we're gonna blast the music into our heads while the other person, never, while the other person says some kind of weird phrase and we have to guess what they are saying.
Just by looking at their mouths, because we obviously can't hear them with the music, so I'll go first.
Okay, go. Alright. Soup is delicious.
Oh my god, I can't! Go.
Soup is delicious.
Soup is delicious.
Shrek is green.
Say it again.
Alright. Shrek is green.
He is green? Say it again.
Shrek is green.
Shrek is green!
Should I do another one?
What? Alright.
You are a beautiful mountain goat.
What?
You are a beautiful mountain goat.
Say it again!
You are a beautiful mountain goat.
You have a move from Obama. I don't know.
You are a beautiful mountain goat.
You live in Rio. We're done with that one. What was it?
You are a beautiful mountain goat.
What? Thank you.
It's not playing.
My room is blue.
What?
My room is blue.
You are blue?
No. My room is blue.
My room is blue.
Yeah. I like blowing bubbles.
What?
I like blowing bubbles.
I don't think that's safe to say out loud.
I like blowing bubbles.
I like blowing boys.
I like blowing bubbles.
I'm still getting I like blowing boys.
I like blowing bubbles.
Oh.
That was cool.
Oh, yeah, I got a good one. Do I go with?
Yeah, yeah. Those on the Snapple cap.
Hold up. Grab the wall. Look at like you're trying to make the hair fall off.
A group of goats is called a trip. A group of goats is called a trip.
Close the goose in the trunk.
A group of goats is called a trip.
Put the goose in the trunk.
A group of goats is called a trip.
The goose has a string.
I'm in my new whip, same old attitude, but I'm on that new shit.
Alright, go.
I ate your mom's elephant.
You ate a popsicle stick.
I ate your mom's elephant.
You ate something. I don't know.
I ate your mom's elephant.
You ate my mom's elephant? Hold on, hold on. Mom, do you have an elephant?
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
What? Say it again, I was paying attention. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself! Alright, green tea Kit Kats. You eat green cake? What? Okay. Green tea Kit Kats. What? Green tea Kit Kats. Reese is nice. Reese Spires is nice. He's hot though. Green tea Kit Kats. Grease is nice. Green tea Kit Kats. Idea. Green tea Kit Kats. Green tea is nice. Green tea Kit Kats. Green tea Kit Kats. Yeah. Is that even a thing? Yeah. Alright. I have smelly feet. You ate a leaf. I don't know. I have smelly feet. You have a smiley face. No. I have smelly feet. You have smelly feet. You're sitting on my panda bear. The green pants are on fire. You're sitting on my panda bear. The green peed on my panda bear. No! You're sitting on my panda bear. Gold gummy bears. What? You're sitting on my panda bear. Chrissy stole my panda bear pants. You're sitting on my panda bear. You're sitting on my panda bear! Oh, you're sitting on my panda bear. School starts on the 31st. Your eyes go like this when you look at me. School starts on the 31st. Wait, the music stopped. No. School starts on the 31st. Your shirt is the 31st. No, School starts on the 31st. Your school is the 31st. School starts on the 31st. School starts on the 31st. Sad. Lexi has a dog named Tyson. Lexi has chalk in her backpack? No. Lexi has a dog named Tyson. Lexi has a shark on her pancake. No. Lexi has a dog named Tyson. Lexi has a giant... Lexi has a dog named Tyson. Lexi has a dog named Tyson. He's a giant chicken nugget. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't hear anything at this point. Make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Follow us on any social media that we have put in the description and on the end slate. Bye!
I pop, I done sold 100,000 for my album got dropped. In the morning 23, I'm the shit, now look at me, I'm a boss like my nigga Rose. Shorty asked me for a check, I told that bitch like no way, cause I made it from the bottom, it was never